what the thing I've seen him use it for is to hold the. Yeah, with the arson.
Huh?
Not mine, I'm the only one that's fenced, but I'll see if over there eating up a lincoln.
That's what I do all my YouTube videos on.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're taking a video now?
Rabbits. Yeah, rabbits. Omaha had rabbits.
You see, I got a lot more scenery to do here. All I've got is just the background stuff in right now. But see, the scene right here, this tunnel scene, is actually modeled off of that rock work.
Beautiful.
That's all styrofoam, cut styrofoam, the hot wire.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you
Fabulous
so much.
layout.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, what I'm going to do, back this straight up and